What was that?
I am a Gundam.
Before we start, I'd like to thank Gunpla for giving me the opportunity to offer you guys a discount on their products via the channel. Their tools are model making game changers. I've been using their tools for well over a year now, from the razor to the sanding loop system. All superb quality in my opinion, and must have for any model maker's toolbox. Click the link in the description below and use code GundamFan7 upon checkout to save yourself 10% off your purchases. With that said, on with the video. What's up everybody, GundamFan, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a couple of boxes to unlock, and yeah, here we are. I haven't done anything like this for a little bit now because I've been focusing on doing other things like this. Just a little sneak peek of what's going on there. I'm priming today, but unfortunately I painted the feet on the heavy arms the correct colour, but this isn't the colour I'm going for because I'm going to be painting the wing kit, the heavy arms, as the Kai, the custom colour. So yeah, it was all wrong. So I couldn't go with red feet and have all the blues and the greys and stuff like that. It would just, I don't know whether it would work or not. So I went on to the absolute mad lads at Hero Boy and I ordered some paints. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy. I've got a funny feeling I know what Gundam it is, although I do have a load pre-ordered. But from this particular store, I know what one it is, so let's go with that. The Nightingale is, you know, I'm waiting for that to arrive. The Eclipse, I'm waiting to hear from Kuribo as to when that's on its way. What else is there? I pre-ordered something else. I can't remember now. But yeah, Flugel's not coming for a while. There is something else, but I can't remember how it will turn up when it turns up. But as always, you met with an invoice and a load of packing peanuts, and their packaging is second to none. There's nothing else in there, so you know, do what you will with those. Invoice is always handy. So yeah, I've not been up to much. I've had a week off, so I'll be concentrating on the heavy arms and getting all primed and stuff like that. I'll be doing a little bit more priming today, but I ordered these on Wednesday and I got them today. So as you can probably tell by that colour, you know exactly where that's going on the Kai. But there's a lot more paint. That's one hell of an accent colour, isn't it? Look at that. Fantastic. That's a beautiful colour. Highly recommend Zero Paints. They colour match their paints beautifully. They are awesome lacquer paints and they are really, really sturdy. Like I say, when I did my Death Side, I had that apart and back together again numerous times, not one chip. Awesome. And here we have a graphite grey for the feet, as Bobby Skullface would say. And it is, oh, it's beautiful. It's like an anthracite, but it's got very, very, very mild graphite texture to it. So that is going to be for like the feet and the greys. And there is it. And this blue is going to sit on top of it. You're not going to be able to tell until it's actually on the kit. And then the accents, yeah, gloss black and semi-gloss just to bring the gloss down a taste. So I think I've got predominantly everything I need, but I'm running out of primer. That's the thing, you run out of this stuff so quickly. I might need to order some more primer. But anyway, on to the next box, and these guys at Gundam Gateway, sorry, they offer now a buy now, pay in 30 days scheme using this new system on checkout. So if you are close to your payday but you want to insure a kit because you might have like 1 or 2 left, you think, God, if I come payday, it's happened to me so many times, probably happened to you as well. You flag something, you put it in your car and you wait till payday. It happened to me with the Nightingale. I literally put it in my car because I was paid the next day and it had gone. So with this system, you can secure it, get it back to you. Don't worry about it. You'll just pay. They'll just debit it in 30 days. So, and I haven't purchased or built one of these in a little minute, and it is the RG Wing TV brand. I think it's the latest RG. I'm not sure. Could be wrong. They could have had another RG since. Everyone's built it, everyone's got it. I'm no stranger to it now. There it is. Awesome, really glossy, really nice. Probably won't paint this kit because it's got that glossy plastic. I might just do a really good job, put the water slides on it, give it a top coat, and just leave it as is. Because it's a 2021 kit, it's brand new, so it's going to have loads of updated undergates and mechanics and so on like that. Look at those wings. I like the proto wings and stuff like that, but this is the kit that you see, I think, at the beginning, where it's all folded up and then it's entering the atmosphere and Oz is chasing it and then it just transforms. Oh, it's even got a little birdie mode. Awesome. But there we have it. Just a little update on the channel, something for you to to watch and listen to me babble on about nothing. But the paints are here, so I can crack on with the heavy arms. The kit's here that I've been after for a while now. I pre-ordered this a couple of times and just fell through. When I did want it, I didn't have the money, and so on. I wanted to get this through certain vendors, and it just never come to pass. But thankfully, Gundam Gateway, they got a couple in, and I said, look, dude, could you put one to the side? And he said, yeah, okay, cool. But then he said, oh, try out this new system. So I did. Came super fast. Free shipping as well in the UK. Okay, it's second class, but you're going to get it within a week, so for free shipping this cost me £35, whereas if I would have gone for Japan or anyone else, it might have cost me 50, 60 upwards, so thanks guys over at Gundam Japan, highly recommend them and check them out. I'll put a link in the description below. Well, that's it guys, just a quick update, nothing fancy, nothing flashy. I don't know what the time is at the moment, it's about 8 or 9 minutes, but I've got nothing else really to talk about without boring you to tears. My life's good, hope you're good, hope to see you in the next video. Check out all my socials down below, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you consider subscribing, I can bring you more content like this. Anyway, thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, follow my streams as well, because I've been doing streams on Twitch. Head on over to twitch.tv, GundamFan 7, and I'll be doing builds. I'm building a Unicorn MGX at the moment, so head on over there. I'll be doing more progress with that tonight and more in the future. And as always, love you lots, and I'll speak to you later. Bye.